Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to askNK. So today we're taking a look at some brand new Blender add-ons and also some very interesting add-ons that are now available on SuperHive, formerly known as Blender Market. And for those who are looking for amazing stuff that they can use for their next or current project, then you're in luck, as there's a couple of cool ones that you can now take full advantage of. And with that said, let's get right into it. Advanced Effects in Blender is a very interesting tutorial course from the folks at Top Channel 101, and this is an interesting course that will teach you all of the necessary things that you need in terms of mastering complex node-based materials for realistic and stylized effects. This also teaches and gives you a better understanding of Blender's advanced particle systems that deals with emitters, hair, dynamic paint, and so on, with some effective use of volumetric rendering for both atmospherical and magical effects. This also introduces advanced animation techniques for dynamic and believable visual phenomena. So just in case you're thinking about getting started with geometry nodes, or possibly you like to start using Blender for creating advanced effects, then you might want to consider taking a look at this, as this is fully packed with both effects and motion graphic tutorials for creating amazing looking visuals in Blender. And for those who are looking for massive discounts, the folks at Diffuse Studio have for the first time released the Diffuse Bundle number 1. And Diffuse Bundle number 1 is a bundle pack with all of their products. So if you were thinking about getting all the products that the folks at Diffuse Studio has created, then this might just be the best time for you to get it. All 7 products are here and they're going for an extreme steal, as you'll be saving about 32% in all of the bundles if you choose to get this. So from the procedural crowds all the way to procedural sign, procedural stadium, procedural alley, business pack people set, which you can use with the procedural crowd, and the summer pack people set, which you can also use with the procedural crowd. Alongside this, the breakdown maker is also available for this, and all of these are going for an extreme steal. So at this point, there are terms and conditions that applies to this, and this includes that the discount coupons are not valid during SuperHive sale period, and if you purchase this bundle during a sale, you'll need to wait until the sale ends to download it. And currently, this isn't having a sale, as this was just released a couple of hours ago, and it is quite amazing. So for those who are thinking about getting all of these, possibly you like to check it out, then you might want to consider taking a look at this and seeing all you can get from the Diffuse Bundle number 1. And if you've always battled with how you can make hair and fur inside of Blender, then you might want to consider taking a look at Strand Kit. This is a dynamic library of hair and fur that allows you easily work with hair right inside of Blender. Strand Kit is a modular asset library for Blender, which is designed to make high quality hair and fur system pretty easy to set up. And with 24 different hair type systems that allows you to create various types of hair, from the straight 1A to coily 4C all the way to various styles. And the cool thing with this is all you have to do to apply the hair or even get started with this is just to drag and drop and apply the style that you want on the model of choice. And in terms of customization, this comes with a good number of detailed shaders and alongside parameters that allow you to style these things to your heart content. And if you're looking for fur, then of course you're in luck, as this also ships with 15 fur style system that easily makes it possible for you to groom different kinds of animals, from small to large mammals. Interestingly, this also ships with a feathering system that is also pretty impressive for you to set up quickly and start creating without manual painting. And for those that are into games, this also comes with 14 haircut systems, which is pretty cool for those who like to generate different types of hair, and this includes the 1A all the way to 4C. Currently, Strand Kit includes more than 1,000 unique haircuts, which are categorized across different kinds of hair, with various edging tools all the way to scattering and conversion down to the hair physics system. Strand Kit is an amazing tool for those who are thinking about hair and fur dynamics, as this is a big library of cool stuff and will definitely get you going if you're looking at ways to start creating one. EasyCom Effects from the folks at Blender Procedural is an interesting one-click LUT and composition effects Blender add-on. This comes with over 200 plus visual effects presets alongside 40 plus LUT color grades, accessible within the viewport and easy to manipulate and see changes in real time. This is designed for speed, simplicity, and for real-time professional results. This one-click workflow makes it very easy for you to go through the preset that currently exist and see what best fits your current project. And of course, you can definitely play with the parameters that currently exist to fine-tune this to get the exact result of what you're trying to make. And just like various tools that the folks at Blender Procedural have created, this is also a very simple to use tool which you can definitely go over to their storefront and find. And for those that are looking for more impressive stuff that are pretty easy to work with, that will definitely get you going with lots of stuff, then you might want to consider taking a look at their storefront and see all of the procedural stuff that they've got to offer. The folks at Polygonic have just recently updated MemSaver. And this is version 1.3. MemSaver is a memory optimizing tool which is currently offering a 25% discount. This is a wonderful and amazing tool that definitely saves your VRAM usage when working in Blender. And how MemSaver works is pretty easy, as this considers all of the objects in your scene, calculates their size and the textures based on their appearance in the final render, and this optimizes your render time as meshes are decimated based on their distance from the camera, and textures are also optimized based on their distance from the camera. MemSaver currently offers a non-destructive workflow which stores all the downscaled images in a cache folder, and the original ones remains untouched. And version 1.3 comes with even more features that includes the preview adaptive optimize, the adaptive mesh decimation, animation support which calculates the necessary image size, taking all animation frames into account while still saving you memory, and at the same time making sure the results are sharp, memory optimization, and a lot more. So if you would like to get this, there are 3 installments of these, which comes as the MemSaver Personal, MemSaver Professional, and MemSaver Studio. And this is amazing, as this is going to optimize your memory and save you a lot of rendering time. So for those who like to get this is currently doing a 25 launch offer, and I'm going to link this in the description. SpaghettiMinot has recently released a beautiful tool called the UVFactory, and the idea behind UVFactory is this simple. This tool is designed to automate, eliminate or streamline the tedious UV unwrapping task, as this comes with sophisticated projection methods for creating high quality UVs. And unlike other procedural UV solutions, the projections that this comes with are more stable by default. This comes with some UV modifying tools which allows you to simply offset, rotate and scale the UVs however you choose. You can also choose to pack these UVs, align them, copy UVs from one map to another, and at the same time you can choose to randomize these UVs. This is a pretty simple and yet effective tool to work with, and this is particularly targeted to those who are thinking about getting a nicer, simple and yet powerful modular UV tool that they can work with. And if you work with Blender and you're looking for a nice muscle and tissue system that you can work with, then you want to consider taking a look at XMuscle System 4.0, and this is impressive. XMuscle System is an advanced physics-based tissue simulator for Blender. This allows you to simply create rapid muscular systems, tissue, and other organic objects for creating muscle-driven physical simulation. XMuscle System is a powerful and easy-to-use tool that allows you to create muscles on models quickly and easily, with a ton of features and support for various tools that includes the Blender Rig, Auto Rig Pro, Blend Rig 5, Rigify, and so on. This comes with advanced microscreen controllers, flexors and extensor muscle types, auto attach to bones, material management, a powerful auto aim convert mesh to muscle assist, physical based tissue simulation that supports jiggling of muscles that can also simulate fat and other parts of the body like cheeks, skin fold, and more. This tool is built for high quality realistic muscle simulation, and it is amazing. And speaking of which, there's a coupon code for askNK audience which I'm going to link in the description, and this is going to be for the first 150 people that like to explore XMuscle System version 4.0 and join the early access to beta features that is currently available with XMuscle System. So for those who like to take a look at this, you can simply go over to K44Dev and check it out. Speaking of K44Dev, there's also a free kaiju monster skeleton that is currently available on his storefront, which you can definitely go ahead and check. If you're looking for skeletal tools that you can get as well, he's got a few, and he's also got the Expose Picker for Blender, which is also another interesting add-on that you can get right now. iCity version 1.5 is now available, and this add-on allows you to simply create cities easily, now ships with some cool features. First off, you can now trace your 2D images from Google Map directly and convert them to 3D buildings right inside of Blender. This also supports elevated highways and a ton of cool stuff. So instead of building these things by hand, you can simply rely on iCity to start building cities quickly and easily, as this comes with some realistic set of tools that allows for high quality details, high quality roads, bridges, various types of building, and city elements that deals with parks, towers, terrace, housing, green areas, empty lots, and so on. So if you've been thinking about building cities, or maybe you're looking for a tool that you can use to build cities easily, then you can simply consider taking a look at iCity City Generator add-on, and version 1.5 that simply supports the use of Google Maps to generate your cities alongside elevated highways now makes this tool even better. Zen Cage version 1.0 from Segi is a very interesting tool that allows you to simply align objects with precision and speed, as this gives you a simple cage that you can use to intuitively control how your objects get manipulated within your Blender viewport. So just in case you're thinking about aligning, fitting, distributing, clamping, using arrays, rotating, or even scaling an object, this simple tool definitely has a lot of features that can get you going. The smart cage can work in different modes, which includes the dynamic, lock, and also manual modes. There's some advanced controls with this one, which is amazing. So if you've been thinking about getting a powerful tool that you can use to simply do some alignment, some clamping, array, or even arrange objects however you want, then you can simply rely on the Zen Cage tool from Segi to get this going. Sanctus has also released the Sanctus Procedural Mapping tool, and this is quite interesting. And the idea behind this tool is for you to be able to deform objects by simply using procedural materials without mapping issues. So in several instances, once you're using a procedural material and you choose to move an object around, you notice that the generated coordinate doesn't simply match the object itself. But with this tool, you can now get the object coordinate matching perfectly fine. And this allows for deformation, which is pretty interesting. In this case, we can see what it looks like with the generated coordinate, we can see what it looks like with object coordinate and when the object gets deformed, and we can see how Sanctus Library Procedural Mapping holds things together. And this is shape key compactable, modifier compactable, and geometry nodes compactable. So if you're looking for a tool that you can use, then you might want to consider taking a look at the Sanctus Procedural Mapping tool. And speaking of tools, Sanctus Library 3.3 is now available, and this now comes with some interesting cool stuff, which includes 4. This brings the total number of assets that you've got with Sanctus Library to 1,200 procedural assets. And this includes materials and generators, with materials getting to over 690, with an extensive list of assets that are now available. So if you're thinking about synthetic materials, surface materials, metal materials, stone materials, fabric materials, and so on, you might want to consider taking a look at Sanctus Library. There's also a ton of generator tools that are currently available as well. Some decal tools are also available, material editor tools, and baking tools are also included. There is a ton of things that Sanctus Library now offers to creators, and for those who are thinking about getting this, or possibly you like to check it out, they might want to simply go over to the link in the description that will bring you right here, where you can check out all of what Sanctus has, which includes the brand new Sanctus Procedural Mapping, Sanctus Library 3.3, and the liquid box that are currently available. Sanctus has recently released X Over, and this is an automatic fix to curve intersections. This is pretty cool because if you're thinking about building things like ropes, spaghettis, overlaying bandages and stuff, this is definitely going to make that pretty easy for you to set up and build with. So it is kind of interesting to see that this is something that is now available for Blender, and it's interesting to see that Sanctus has built this. Sanctus has also built a couple of things over time, and all of these are being bundled into the Genie bundle. The Genie bundle is just continually growing, and like he made a promise before, prior to the Genie bundle being available, this bundle will continually grow with tons of procedural stuff. So from the procedural pencil to the melt simulator to sweat simulator, the shrink, the rain, the wicker basket creation tool simulator, now the X Over tool. This is amazing. So for those who are thinking about getting this is a one-time purchase, and every update that comes to this you will be getting and keeping forever. And I think it's something to keep in mind as Sanctus continually builds pretty cool stuff and publishes them on his storefront. So if you like to get this, I'll simply suggest that you go ahead and get the Genie tool, which comes with all of this stuff that he has built over time, instead of purchasing this one after the other, and that would save you quite a lot. The Geo Particles Assets from Addons Webby 3D is now available. This is currently doing a 55% coupon, so just in case you like to get this, you can come through and check this out. This comes with some interesting set of assets that can definitely get you going, and this includes explosions and impact, laser and energy effects, trails and vortexes, sparks and debris, abstract and utility effects. So just in case any of these ones is pretty cool and you would like to explore with them both in real time with Eevee, or possibly you like to use them in cycles, or maybe you're just looking for a geometry node based particle effect set of assets, these 36 particle effect presets are designed to allow you to create visually stunning FX works in Blender. So if you'd like to get this, I'm going to put links in the description for the 55% discount code. Furnimatic is an automatic cabinet creator, and this is pretty interesting as this ships as both an add-on and an asset tool, designed for 3D artists, furniture makers, interior designers, and anyone tired of simply modeling cabinets. So how this works is pretty easy, as this comes with a catalog of various types of cabinets that you might want to work with, and you can simply go through, select the ones you want, define the parameters of how you like the cabinets to be, and with that you can simply create the cabinet of choice. This also offers a good number of parameters that you can use to to customize this cabinet however you want, and this is pretty interesting. Of course, this is suitable for anyone who is into architectural design, interior design, or maybe you're a 3D furniture maker. So if you're into any of this, then this is a very interesting tool that might definitely save you a lot of time. So this is it. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section, and of course if you like this video or you like something from this, you can go ahead and give a like, and don't forget to share with a friend. And until I see you guys in the next one, peace.